Welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's video is umuulan, guys. Thanks God it's raining. Yay! Ano nang nangyari sa mga pilo namin, guys? It's windy last night. So ang pilo, ganyan na ang hitsura, guys. Thank you so much, Lord, for the rain. Ang plants ko is masaya na ngayon. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Minsan lang umuulan dito, guys. Kaya I'm so happy na umuulan today. Hindi masyadong malamig today, guys. Sakto-sakto lang ang weather. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's video, snack kami ni Ted ng fries, Chick-fil-A sauce. So ito yun, guys. I will add more, okay? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone,
Say thank you for
watching a video.
good job.
Where you go? I'm buying you.
Come on.
I'm gonna go. Hold on. Hold on, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, give me.
Say mukbang time. Absent siya today, guys, kasi may ubo at lagnat. So kahapon lang nag-start. Yesterday lang nag-start yung cough ni Ted. So absent siya today. Always siya nag-check sa time, guys. Kasi sabi niya miss na daw niya si Brother Jed. Did you miss your brother? What's your name?
Daddy died again, but then he named it.
You're not Jedediah. What's your name again? You're not Jedediah. Are you Jed? Wait.
Daddy's at school.
Tell your name, Ben. Tell your name ba? Hmm? 2:30.
2.
Always siya nag-check sa time, guys. Kasi hinihintay niya si Jed. Come on. This one is hot, ha? Come on. Ted.
I'm good.
Are you done? You get drinks ka?
I want soda, big tank.
Go get it.
I need to drink one. I have to go one.
Just
Let me
bring.
sit.
Just bring here.
Okay. And that's one.
Good job. Thank you. You get cup ko in the the white cabinet. Come on. Ahem. Here, my love. Slowly. Not too much, okay? Sit down. Chick-fil-A. Lami kaayo guys sa fries. Chick-fil-A sauce.
I don't want to be that sick. Huh?
Shout out to all my followers. Silent viewers, thank you so much for the support. Shout out sa inyong lahat guys. Sa walang sawang suporta sa mga live premiere videos at saka sa mga nagpapalipad sa akin. Thank you so much. Happened. You're so funny today. Tell them, Tidor, thank you so much guys. You look so funny. 6 plus 6.
2,
I answer properly.
3,
You're
6,
you're wrong.
8,
Okay, come on.
12,
Good job. 5 plus 2.
6.
5 plus 2.
I don't want to answer.
You know.
I don't
5, 6.
want to do.
I have a challenge.
I don't want to do.
Why? Are you tired? Say bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye to my friends. Wala sa mood guys makipaglaro sa akin. My new friends in YouTube, subscribers, thank you so much. Mega love shout out, Shing, Lord Shing. My new friends, thank you so much. Ulitin ko guys, thank you so much sa mga nagpapalipad sa akin ng blessings. Thank you for sharing. Soon, ako naman ang magpapalipad sa inyo guys. Kung makasahod na tayo. Tapos na ako guys. Snacks lang namin to ni Ted. Ay, kahit anong diet guys, maano talaga ako sa soft drinks. Pero minsan lang guys, water ako, water. Or lemonade, ganyan. So, dito na lang nagtatapos ang video ko guys. Thank you sa inyong mga supportad guys. Thank you so much again. God bless you all. See you to my next video. Bye-bye.